yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Rimzee. Rimzee with a song called Gorilla featuring 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 the author. So Rimzee, Gorilla, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 the author. Rimzee the G, you don't know. Rimzee the triple OG, triple OG from them time till now. So, this is a music video. I think he's got an EP coming out, Feed the Streets. Let's have a look at the cover art. Yeah, it's got the EP coming out. Is that the cover for Feed the Streets, right? Obviously, not with food, with music. I'm going to feed this street with music and knowledge. So, take out my glass and jump in the water. So, you don't know, back to the UK. For that one, yeah. Let's jump in it and hear what my G say. Let's go! Sorry to cut your reactions video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing a special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me in my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in Jamaica_verse_gamer. Reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something. You understand? So let's get back to the video.
Gorilla, true killer, pain and turn me to gorilla.
This is gonna be a symbolic video. Reason being, you see pure black man dressed in full black. You don't know. Gorilla movement. Goes back to the title of the song. Let's go!
Lyrical music.
If I said that I wouldn't squeeze it, I'd be lying.
Yo, really clap the steel. Stepping on blocks like a daffodil. I was
Wait! This guy never changes his style to run with the crowd. He stay true to himself from day one till now. Rimzee stay true to him fucking self. Rimzee no switch, bro. Rimzee no switch, bro. And the man, him no miss, bro. This is real rap. This is real fucking rap. Let's listen to the bass jumping. Listen.
If I said that I wouldn't squeeze it, I'd be lying.
Definitely lying.
Yo, really clap the steel. Stepping on blocks like a daffodil. I was really out there in the battlefield.
Me telling already, him really clap the steel. Go do no research for Rimzee. Clap the steel for officer. Nah, I'm not go back this. No, I do the research.
Yo, really clap the steel. Stepping on blocks like a daffodil. I was really out there in the battlefield. Sliding daily. �𝐍 the 380. Only thing can stop us is a fucking Navy. You know.
Hold on, man. Wait. The police can't stop him, you know. Who can stop them? The Navy. Who can stop them? The Navy. You have to send for the military. Police can't stop. Police, go one side. Move. Go one side. Small fries. Move. Nando's rice. You're on the side. Go away. Move. Pick up the officer, them.
Yo, really clap the steel. Stepping on blocks like a daffodil. I was really out there in the battlefield. Sliding daily. �𝐍 the 380. Only thing can stop us is a fucking Navy. You know I slide for my umbre. My brother don't complain. Treat the other side like my gun range.
Me slide for my umbre. Me slide for my true G them. But guess what we are do when we slide? We are treat the other side like a gun range. Target practice. Gunshot. Gun them down. Brrr. That's like that.
𝐿𝐍 the 380. Only thing can stop us is the fucking Navy. You know I slide for my umbre. My brother don't complain. Treat the other side like my gun range. Cars had to ring them up. Fans on my signature. Days of Jahiliya. Went to war like Syria.
If you see Rimzee in the street and you don't want him signature, something wrong with you, because Rimzee a star! Star! STARRR! Star! No joke.
Slap for my umbre. My brother don't complain. Treat the other side like my gun range. Cars had to ring them up. Fans on my signature. Days of Jahiliya. Went to war like Syria. Everywhere niggas from. You know we cut from a different cloth. Had to clean my soul with a prism up.
me take a second to digest.
To ring them up, fans on my signature. Days of Jahili, I went to war like Syria. F where niggas from, you know we cut from a different cloth. Had to clean my soul with a prism up. 20.
Brother, fuck where you come from. Brother, I'm in a business where you come from. I just say that right now. I just say that right, bumbuckler. No, I don't care where you come from. Guess what? Me cut from a different cloth. Pussy, me cut from a different cloth. No that. Then him say, him have to map up him soul with a prison map. That's him say his soul, right?
Where niggas from, you know we cut from a different cloth. Had to clean my soul with a prism up. 20.
I have to clean him soul with a prison map. So the boss don't tell us, yo, me been through it, dog. I go prison, I'm there, up on the road. You don't know, me don't care where you come from, bro. What if this not gonna work? You see me, action me do. It man don't tell you from earlier on, say him treat the apps like a gun range. Bruh! No that.
Where niggas from, you know we cut from a different cloth. Had to clean my soul with a prism up. 24 for the upstairs, 17 for the bottom. You're Terry Cotton, you know we came from the bottom.
24 for the upstairs. Yo! Ease.
You know we cut from a different cloth. Had to clean my soul with a prism up. 24 for the upstairs, 17 for the bottom. You're Terry Cotton, you know we came from the bottom. We gon' catch him nice. He got too much pride. Switch him off, flat the lights. The speed up on the bikes.
Hold on. I keep pausing because I'm breaking down. If I miss anything of importance that I miss, drop it in the comment section.
17 for the bottom. You're Terry Cotton, you know we came from the bottom.
From the bottom, started from the bottom, now we're here. We're there.
17 for the bottom. You're Terry Cotton, you know we came from the bottom. We gon' catch him nice. He got too much pride. Switch him off, flat the lights.
Yo, you have too much pride. Switch him off like a light. Bloop. Light switch, lights out. Hey, him alone in the dark room down there. Him alone in the dark room. Him alone, 6'6", switch him off like a light.
We gon' catch him nice. He got too much pride. Switch him off, flat the lights. The speed up on the bikes. If we catch him, it's awful. He ain't immortal. In a view, I speak formal, but my guns ain't normal.
Listen this.
Catch him nice. He got too much pride. Switch him off, flat the lights. The speed up on the bikes. If we catch him, it's awful.
The speed up on the bike. If we catch him, a full day for him. Even the crime scene investigators, them companies see and say, what an awful sight. I've never seen anything like this. What make that hole? It's got to be a big caliber. Gunshot. Bruh. This right there. Violence. I like it.
Got too much pride.
Well, I know. Listen to the next one.
Switch him off, flat the lights. The speed up on the bikes. If we catch him, it's awful. He ain't immortal. In a view, I speak formal, but my guns ain't normal.
In an interview, I speak formal because I can adapt in any situation I go. Yeah? I'm a businessman. I'm a professional. But guess what? My gun them no normal, pussy. My gun them no normal. Them ready for bust now. No ramp. Not because I speak formal and you see me by interview. You go feel so you go see me in the street and diss me. Suck your mother! You're not bad like me, no time. My gun them not lazy, no. Trigger finger always working. Move and go.
It's awful. He ain't immortal. In a view, I speak formal, but my guns ain't normal.
No.
Who will I? True killer. Pain down turn me to gorilla. Gorilla. Used to ride around with the 4 pizza.
Bumbo Clatex. I first listen to your song. Bad. Vice bad. Good collab. Great collab.
Gorilla. Used to ride around with the 4 pizza. Yeah. If I said that I wouldn't squeeze it, I'd be lying.
Me can't promise you I'm not gonna squeeze it if me have to. If me have to squeeze it, me have to squeeze it. So if me say I wouldn't squeeze it, lie me I tell. Yeah, me lie like show. Me lie like movie. If I say I wouldn't, me have to squeeze it.
If I said that I wouldn't squeeze it, I'd be lying.
Yeah.
If I said that I wouldn't squeeze it, I'd be lying.
Catch them with a dirty pole. Niggas screaming that they ain't involved. That drill don't count if they don't take the road.
Ooh, catch him in the dirty pole. You know what I'm catch him with the dirty pole? The pole where I walk with, make enough up here already, you know. The pole where I walk with, lick down enough man already, you know. You see me? So the pole is dirty. You can't make friends get chat by the neither. Because you don't know. Will you charge the pan a feet? Let me just go back to the chorus a little bit. Tiggs. But Your voice bad, bro. Clarity and peak. Everything. Bad.
Gorilla. Used to ride around with the 4 pizza. Yeah. If I said that I wouldn't squeeze it, I'd be lying. If I said that I wouldn't squeeze it, I'd be lying.
Catch them with a dirty pole. Niggas screaming that they ain't involved. That drill don't count if they don't take the road. Kim brought extra bang. You know we always aim head high before I link Nems. I made headlines.
We always aim head high, brother. We're not shooting a body. Too much shot I go take this door you down. One to your dome, spin your wig. Move and go. Next dimension. We not have binds for waist even though we have binds. Yeah, we not have gunshot for waist even though we have enough shot. Yeah, the boss I say, yo, even before him link nines, him been a make headlines. Do your research, the man. No joke me night, and no cap rap. The boss now do not cap rap. No, he's not one of those rappers that does the cap rapping. The cap rapping, no.
Dirty pole. Niggas screaming that they ain't involved. That drill don't count if they don't take the road. Kim brought extra bang. You know we always aim head high before I link Nems. I made headlines. We don't aim.
Oh, not nines. Before him link Nems, sorry. Before him link Nems. Before him link Nems, him always been making headlines. Sorry, not nines.
You know we always aim head high before I link Nems. I made headlines. We don't aim at ankles. Be like still bangles. Had a brought back with a wooden handle. Gun.
You hear that? Boss tell say him not aim off a ankle. Him not get not figure hospital got nurse. Move and go. What me done tell you already? You alone in the dark room. 6'6" you go. Yeah. And the boss describe him thing what him have and tell you what it is. Listen.
Aim at ankles. Be like still bangles. Had a brought back with a wooden handle.
If you know what a broke back is with a wooden angle, then you're a true G. If you don't know, you're rookie to the thing. Move your bum back, you know. You don't know that thing. Officer, big up on the
We don't aim at ankles. Be like still bangles. Had a brought back with a wooden handle. Gunner like Arsenal. Play your block like a sample. Everybody on the floor like marble.
Yo, man, a gunner like Arsenal. Man, a gunner. Ever talking. Yeah. Play your block like a sample. Know yourself.
Like Arsenal. Play your block like a sample. Everybody on the floor like marble.
If you don't know the marble game from them time, when you little grow up, you know what it is. You need to play a marble and every marble up on the ground. Or it could be marble tile on the floor. Two meanings. We in Jamaica, we used to play marble growing up. Little round marble them. Yeah. There's a game we call marble. We have that, where we play upon the ground. Or the marble tiles. But in this case, I think he's referring to the marble tiles. You see me? Yeah. What?
Like Arsenal, play your block like a sample. Everybody on the floor like marble. I've been gunning, never running. I ain't from a young and in the field getting stuck in niggas cutting when we come in.
When them see the G, them have come, them cut. Them cut like knife. Boom, take 2 centuries speed like lightning. Siren frightening. Yo, the boss I tell you, bro. I've been that guy. I've been that fucking guy, bro. Come on, man. Put some respect.
Never running. I ain't from a young and in the field getting stuck in niggas cutting when we come in.
Yeah.
You know I'm far from gentle. Put a boy in the menu. I got worse credential. Don't draw me out like a pencil.
The boy upon the menu. I'm not talking about the menu where you go eat from another. No. Chef him up. You better don't dry mouth like a pencil. Don't bumbuck like dry mouth. You artist? Don't dry mouth, you know. Rimzee tell you don't dry mouth. Big up a side.
From general, put a boy in the menu. I got worse credential. Don't draw me out like a pencil.
Who will I? True killer. Pain down turn me to gorilla. Gorilla.
Remember, you know, the pain turn them in a gorilla, you know. The pain, what them been through, what them a go through, turn them in a gorilla. Them just get thick skin and toughen up and know say, yo, I do or die, you know.
Pain down turn me to gorilla. Gorilla. Used to ride around with the 4 pizza. Yeah. If I said that I wouldn't squeeze it, I'd be lying. If I said that I wouldn't squeeze it, I'd be lying.
Bad bumbo clad. But yeah, real collab. Bumbo clad. One Rimzee. Takes big up yourself, dog. No dirty no man. Yo, Directed by Ed OG. Big up yourself. Big up the production team behind the one. Solid collab. As expected from Rimzee. Solid. Them man gonna put out trash, bro. Them man gonna put out trash. So all of them other rappers that we see, 99% of them a cap. Watch too much. Bumbuck like Ninja Turtle. Them a cap. No. The boss on the cap thing. Boss on the shop talk. No. You see me? Yeah. Back to the UK for the one, yeah. Yo, this bad. This track is definitely on my repeat. This track is definitely gonna be on my repeat because it's sick. It's sick. I mean, can relate. Cause man been through it. So that terminal gorilla. See him speed. You don't know. You see me? Yeah, this bad. Great collab. Production team. Rimzee, big up yourself. Things big up yourself. This is how I'm gonna leave that one. Still, guys, if you enjoyed that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new. Peace.